Go and have a look then.
Have a look then.
Don't statue. So hello.
Hello.
In this video we're going to leave Dodwell Park campsite, a review of which was in this video, and we're going to catch the X18 bus to Stratford-upon-Avon. It's a busy road. See you in a bit. The X18. You alright, everyone?
Yeah.
Go and have a look then.
Have a look then.
Don't statue. Don't touch. You're not there to touch. Would you like to sit? Photo?
Yeah. I can't see.
That's fine, I've got a photo. Are we going to do another? Yes, got to do another one.
Oh.
Yes, you can't go.
Walk away with that. He's been naughty.
So, from the library, which is a lovely building, to Shakespeare himself.
You've got the gift shop and then his birthplace. Is it birthplace or is it?
Conservation work going on at the minute, but look at that for a building. It's undergoing some work, isn't it?
It's got a head
House of Spells. Hogwarts Express, yes. That's a nice chess piece, isn't it?
Oh, well, look at it.
Even before you get in, it's interesting. Oh, the ball going. There you go, that green, as soon as it goes green. Oh, that's creepy, Alice. Yeah, so do I.
Well, there's a marble race set.
That is it, in the sand.
And then rubbing it in. There you go.
And then rubbing it off. How clever is that, Alice? I think it's fair to say that this visit alone does it for me. It's fascinating. Oh. You just jumped then.
I did as well.
I want to get to the truth. These are going to be, this is going to be well interesting. That was the MAD, or Mechanical Art and Design Museum. We think it's well worth a visit. We'll put a link in the description below this video. Prince Hal. Falstaff. Lady Macbeth. Hamlet. Man himself. This is a fancy entrance to the butterfly farm. That was a rather splendid butterfly farm. I'll put a link in the description below this video, everyone. It's worth checking out. Should we go on one then, once we've had a drink and or snack? Birmingham, 30 miles.
Family of 4, yeah?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we thank you for your attention and we hope you enjoyed the tour aboard Jennifer May with us as we travel through the historic Canal Basin, the famous Stratford Lock, and enjoy a leisurely cruise along the river. When people think of Stratford, they picture Shakespeare, the theatre, a town rich in culture nestling in the middle of the Warwickshire countryside. One other thing I should tell you about this lock. Local legend says it's haunted by the ghost of a long-dead lock keeper. And sometimes, day or night, he turns up and opens the gate on the left. See if it happens on this trip.
It's opening on its own. It's explaining where the different areas.
Yeah, these are the sonnets. If you read the different sonnets, there's a lot of them. Have a look in the garden.
So of course we're just basically on the ground that used to be. This is rather splendid. He was a man, take him for all in all, I shall not look upon his like again. It's got some supports, Morus nigra, common mulberry, a scion of the tree planted by Shakespeare near his last residence. No wonder why the poor old thing needs support. I love the timbers. That's a better view of the garden. That was Shakespeare's new place. A link will be in the description below the video. That was the lovely Guild's Chapel. All cameras, Oliver. Recognise that one. So we got off the X18 bus outside NatWest and we get back on to return to the campsite. Outside 3 charity shops. That, everyone, was our tour of Stratford-upon-Avon. Thank you very much for following us. If you liked the video, why not give it a thumbs up? That tells YouTube algorithms it was a good video and more people should watch it. If you're not subscribed, why not click subscribe? The button will appear just about here in a few seconds. It's totally free to subscribe to the channel, but it really does help build our channel. And we really do value your support. See you on the next one.